Welcome to Seed to Life. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. Last time I shared a video on the blooming of dragon fruits and hand pollination. I have multiple dragon fruit plants that I grew from my first plant that I purchased from a nursery. However, even after multiple blooms and hand pollination, none of the flowers produce any fruits. This was my first time growing dragon fruit plants. After a little research, I realized that the variety that I have is not self-compatible. What it means is that it won't produce fruits on its own. I don't have many neighbors that are growing dragon fruits in their backyard. So I needed another variety of dragon fruit plants for the cross-pollination to occur and produce fruits. It was really disappointing. It takes many years for the plants to bear fruits, and the nursery that I purchased it from should have mentioned it. I'm planning to start new plants from seeds this time and then graft them on my existing dragon fruit plants, and I'm hoping that after grafting the fruit production will happen earlier than if I just let the plants grow from seeds. This is going to be a fun experiment and I'm very excited for this. So let's begin. I love dragon fruits. They usually have very mild taste, but I found this yellow dragon fruit that is comparatively much sweeter than the regular white one and even the red or pink ones. Whenever I find healthy yellow dragon fruit, I make sure to get it. It is so refreshing and crunchy seeds make it even taste better. It is my observation that yellow one has a flesh that is slightly firmer than that of the regular varieties. The seeds are also bigger. And there are two ways you can take the seeds out. First method is to just cut the fruit and separate the seeds from the flesh using a knife. Just scrape them off. They come out very easily. You can then wash them and dry with a tissue paper. The second method is to take a piece of fruit and smash it in a strainer. Wash off the flesh that leaves only the seeds in the strainer. This is not always a cleaner method since some of the flesh still stays attached to the seeds. But it works great if you want to save seeds in bigger quantity. Any method that you use, just wash the seeds and then spread them on a paper or a cloth to dry. Once dried, you can germinate them. For germination, try to take a mix that holds moisture well. Since dragon fruit grows in tropical and subtropical region, it likes the soil little moist that retains humidity. It should be well draining too, as the roots of dragon fruits are shallow and they can rot. I added equal parts of coco coir and perlite, but you can add some compost or vermicompost to it. Simply drop the seeds in your seed starting mix and cover the pot with a plastic bag to keep the humidity level high. It also reduces the need for frequent watering. The seeds were fresh and they germinated within a week. The germination rate was also pretty good. The first leaves of seedlings look like tiny succulent leaves. They are growing beautifully and I enjoy watching them grow. This is how the seedlings look after a month. There is hardly any nutrition and still they are growing pretty well. I will wait for a few more months before grafting them onto my existing plant. These seedlings are of my yellow variety, but I have also got a red variety or pink variety of dragon fruit and I am going to start those seeds too. I hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts and experiences of growing dragon fruits in comments. A big thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life and share my videos. Media links are posted in the description. See you again. Bye.